everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rosy O, and today I would like to show some diamond painting pens that I received from a small business that's on Etsy. And I purchased from them before and I'm a big fan of them, so I purchased again. And I just received them, so I just want to show them today. And if you're a returning viewer, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, I hope you enjoy the show. So they're two different packages. So let me just pull them up real quick. The name of the company is called Diamond PenPal, and I'll make sure to put in the description below their Etsy store. So in case there's, you're interested, they have a whole variety of different colors and different styles of pens. So I'm a really big fan of them. And the post-its are just to cover my address, private information and all of that. So let's look at the first one. Let me put this aside real quick. And I love the little purple bag. Usually they come in that color and that's how I recognize them. So I ordered from two of their different sets. So two of them are from their kind of more detailed pens, like the more, there's more variation on them. And the other set is from their value collection. And this one, I can already tell, this is from their more detailed set. So those are a little bit pricier, but not that much of a difference. I just fell in love when I saw these pens, and I'll show them to you in a moment. Let me put that aside real quick. And oh my goodness, I just saw there's a diamond on my desk. I was diamond painting earlier, so that's why sometimes they get away from you. And oh, look at that. They put candy. They always put candy. I love that. I love Smarties, so I'm a fan of that. And a tea, chamomile mango. Huh, I've never had this before. I'll try this. Yeah, I believe it'll be real relaxing because it's chamomile. And my favorite thing is stickers. As you can probably tell on my desk, I love stickers. And originally my desk was just plain. It was just black, and I kind of didn't like how it viewed on camera, so I started slowly adding stickers, and it just went crazy. But I keep adding, so I won't say no to a sticker. And it's so cute. It's a little sloth with a popsicle. So cute. I like that a lot. And a little saying, I keep thinking back to a time under the canyon moon. Oh, I love that. And it's a real pretty decal. This would look nice as a diamond painting, actually, now that I look at it. And the pens are these. So when you order your pen, you select a multi-placer. For it does come with a regular single placer tip and a multi-placer as well. And you get to select, I believe it's from 3 to 10, I believe. And I always, since I've ordered different pens from them, I kind of switch up on what I pick. So this time I'm not too sure. I kind of don't remember which ones I picked. I love 4 placers, so it's probably a 4 placer. And so these are little placers, and these two are the pens. And I love the little velvet wrapping that they have on there. I'm a big fan of that. And these are the placers. And sorry, it's really, really cool when I first started seeing that you pick your own. Because I got to pick different sizes I usually didn't have. Either a 6 or a 7 or a 10. Any of those bigger numbers, I didn't really have them. So I liked I was able to select anytime I was ordering pens. So there's a single placer and a multi-placer. I believe it has the number on it. Sorry, it's clear, so it's a little tougher to see it even under the light. I believe it's a 6. Yeah, it's a 6. And I love that they came together with the little placers. I'm a big fan of that. So let me put this back in the bag real quick. And let's open the first one. So the first time I ever had to open one of these little velvet bags, I could not figure out for the life of me how to open it. So that video, you'll see me struggling with everything I have to try to open it. But I really thought I would tear it. No, it's just that's how it's supposed to open. So I open part here, and then you just peel it back like a banana. And then you just push it through. So, oh, this is the purple one. So one of them is a purple and the other was a white. And oh my goodness, this is so pretty. Let me fix the lighting a bit. Let me see if I can get it to. Oh, there we go. You can kind of see the shine from the little purple. There's glitter in the clear. They're bands. There's like a solid purple kind of pearl color, and then there's a glitter clear part. And I love glitter and I love clear, so I'm a fan of that. I'm gonna check if I can turn on another lamp, because I think this lamp isn't giving a lot of lighting for it. Sorry about that. Usually I have the setup prepared, but I wasn't expecting it not to show. Oops, there you go. Not show the color correctly. And yeah, there you go. Let me just fix this real quick, because I actually moved something now. Oops, sorry, hit the microphone. Now it's kind of messing up on any of the angle I was having with the lighting. And there you go. So yeah, I really love this purple color. Oh my goodness, that is so pretty. And they have a Facebook group, so if you go on the group, you can actually see what they have that they're releasing for the week. And I saw this one on the group, and I was a huge fan of it. So, and blue is my favorite color, but I just fell in love with this really kind of royal purple color. So I had to pick it up real quickly. And the neato thing about this company that I'm a fan of, they have an option for a roll stop. And what it means is, if you can see the bumps on the pen, that's, that's just how the pen, and it's comfort for me, it helps with my hand. But if you choose a roll stop, there's a section, you can see it, it's flat. Let me see if I can get it. There you go. It's flat here. As you can tell, it's flat. And it's really cool, because your point is, if you put the pen down, it won't roll away. My desk is angled, so I have a big fan of this. So all my other pens that don't have it, they just keep getting away from me, and I am so worried I'm gonna accidentally break one. I haven't, fortunately, but I love that you can select that option. And if you're not a fan of that, you can't select without it. So it'll just be a normal pen, just with the little bumps. But I'm a big fan of that, and that's why I fell in love with this company, that whenever I see the new pens, I always make sure to get one or two. So this is the purple one. And so the other one is a white one. That I do remember. And let me get that opened real quick. Oops. Ooh, I really don't want to make it tighter. So, and there we go. And there we go. Yeah, it's a white one. I was trying to remember. I was like, was it white? Yeah, it was white. And this one I fell in love when I saw it. Again, I love glitter. So this has glitter too. And there you go. Oh my goodness, this looks really nice under the light. And it has the clear with the glitter, and the other side is white, and it's like a really pretty pearl. I loved when I saw it. And I don't usually buy, they have other styles that are in white. I don't usually buy them, but when I saw this pen and the color combo, I just fell in love. And the glitter. And oh my goodness, it has like an iridescent kind of shine with the glitter under the light. And I love that. Let's see if I can get a little bit more focus, because my camera there you go. That's a little better. And the same thing, I chose the little roll stop option. Now you can see it a little better on this one. You see how it's flat? I love that option. And anytime I get a pen and the option's there, because not every pen has that, but majority of they do, you can select to go with that option. And yeah, oh my goodness, I love that. I'm going to put these pens down. Ooh, I just hit that kind of hard. So let me open the other packet. And let me get them out. And as well, I just ordered 2 pens, because they posted on their Facebook group that they were releasing a new color, and I fell in love when I saw the color. And they were actually having a promo at the time that if you have done an order, you'll get a cover minder that they create. So let me put that aside real quick. And yeah, oh, it's cute. They gave me a little goodie bag. I love these drawstring bags. I'm a fan of them. So same thing. You also select your placers, which is, I believe I picked a 4 and I picked another 6. Yes, I did. And I really love these plasticky ones. I have no idea why. They work really well for me when I'm putting down rounds. So I love getting, you can choose not to get a placer, I believe, but I love these placers. So that's always, especially these white ones, I always make sure to pick them every time I order. And same thing, there's candy in here. And stickers. Oh, I love candy and stickers. I just love stickers and candy. So this is the cover binder they had for the promo. And oh my goodness, I did not know it was going to be so large. And it's really, really cool. It's like a resin. I believe they, created their own. And that is the name of the company, Diamond Pen Pal. And it's really cool because it tells you the home of the original no-roll DP pens and their website at the bottom. And I always buy through I believe their store is through Etsy, so I always buy through Etsy. And has the magnet in the bottom. Ooh, really hardcore magnet. And there you go. You put it back. I don't know why it makes me think of a speaker if you look at it. But I actually want to try it. I'm actually going to try it on one of my bigger paintings. Because and it's a little heavy and I love that. And this was a promotion they were having. So I am not sure if it's an item they're selling on their store. But I really do appreciate that they put that in here. Because, well, I really like it. And so they also have a mint and the stickers. And oh my goodness, that's so cute. It's an ice cream. All you need is ice cream. That is a more true statement you can think. All you need is ice cream. I love that. Oh, that's so cute. And oh, it's a bear. Oh, that is so cute. I love the little collar on it. Oh, that's so cute. And these are the pens. And as I said, this is the value collection. So they're a little bit more sorry, I don't want to say well, yeah, they're a little bit more affordable, but I still think all of these pens, I believe, are really good price and they're really good quality, so I have no problems with them. But these are a little bit different because, as you can tell, they're just glitter. So this one is the orange one. Oh my goodness, I love this orange. When I first saw it on the website, I saw, oh my goodness, I was originally going to pick a blue one, but I saw this orange and it just kept talking to me. You have to buy me. So I picked it. And I love the color on it. Oh my goodness, I love that. And the value collection are just solid color. There's, as you can tell, there's no extra little design, little extra solid colors. It's just glitter. And I love, love that. But you also get the roll stop option as well. And I'm trying, there you go. And you can select it as well. Same thing. If you're not a fan of that, you don't have to select it either. These are the ends. Yeah. Oh my goodness. And I haven't tried this collection, so I'm so excited to put. I use Diamond Art Club a single placer because I'm a big fan of it. But plastic placers, I have no problems with it. Multi placers, so I know it won't be any problem putting it on this pen. And this is the new color they came out. And when I saw it, I really, really wanted it. It's their silver. And as you can see, let me see if I can get a little closer. The glitter has little stars. And I just love, 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 love when I saw that. And I really had to pick it up. And then that's when I saw the orange. So I was like, I'm already there. I might as well get two. Oh my goodness, I love this color. And the same thing, I got a roll stop on it. Oh, I love these. I just love these pens. And I'm going to probably say that like a billion times. Sorry about that. And yeah. So these are the value collection. Let me do a little more close up to these other two. I didn't do that. You see the camera can catch it? There you go. You can actually see the pearl really, really well with the white and the glitter and the clear. Oh my goodness, I love all these pens. And this is the purple. It's a little bit darker, so I think that's why the camera might have a little problem. There we go. I wish I had a little bit better lighting, but you kind of catch. Oops, sorry, let me try not to move it. Camera's being a little finicky today. I think you can catch it. Oop. I think it's because I have too many things on the desk. I think it's distracting. So let me see if I can get a little bit more focus. Sorry about that. There we go. And yeah, there's the little glitter, the little solid pearl part. And yeah, if they make these in blue, I'm so going to buy it because I love this. And I just really want it in blue. And I think this lighting, yeah, I think it's showing you a little better. Yeah, you can see the really, really dark purple and the glitter in the crystal clear part. Oh my goodness, I just love these pens. And I'm sorry, I just keep staring at it because I did not expect that color to be popping out. So yeah, that's all I have today. I just really wanted to show these pens. As soon as I got the orders, I knew I wanted to record it. Oh, sorry. And I said I'll put the link to their store in the description below so you can see other pens that you might like. And they have so many different color options. So it doesn't just have to be these specifically. And the last time I checked, there were plenty of the Value collection. I'm not too sure about these two because usually they make one or two, or there's a high demand. Sometimes they'll release a couple more. Because there's actually this real nice pink one I'm waiting for, but I have to wait till they make it again. So, yeah, if you're a returning viewer again, thank you so much for coming back. I really do appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel, all I ask is if you can do the usual. If you can like and subscribe, I really appreciate that as well. And again, thank you for your time and have yourself a wonderful day. Thank you.